YouTube, what's going on, guys? Nerve Rush here, back with another video. Today's video, we will be opening the brand new Feel the Nerve merch collection drop. Without further ado, we'll get right into it. We got majority of the pieces here. I didn't buy all of them just yet. I'm gonna make another purchase today. First one, we got the Feel the Nerve sleeveless hoodie. Oh man, it is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It's not plastic, it's actually made into the shirt. Probably catch me wearing that later today. All right, next up, we have the Nerve Rush long sleeve. And it's got Nerve Rush down the sleeves. All this material is similar to like a dry fit. Another long sleeve one. All right, here we go. This one turned out nice. We have the white long sleeve. It's got the logo in the blue. And with the nice blue Nerve going down the side, Rush down the other side, you guys already know. I have a couple of other purchases. I think this is another. The black long sleeve seems hot. Everyone keeps buying that black long sleeve. If you guys would, man, leave you guys thoughts and comments down below. I will leave you guys the link down in the description as well. Alright, I decided to add this into the video. Today we're going to be showing you guys also the website and what we all offer on the website. Here's from the Feel the Nerve collection is the sleeveless hoodie, comes in black and white, as well as the long sleeve comes in black and white. I do have the white one on currently. Like I said, everything is made into the shirt, all the lettering, so you don't have that plastic feel to it. Things made it directly into the shirt. And then here's some of the other options we have as well. We have all kind of different colored hoodies. We have the breast cancer awareness shirt. We have the camo shirts, which you can get the flag on it. If you are not from the US, you can get any country's flag on that sleeve. You don't have to have the US flag. We have masks that we just added. The mask can come in black and white. And then as well, like I said, we have many other options on t-shirts. Many different colors, hoodies as well. If you guys do end up getting something on the site, make sure you use code NERVERUSH at checkout. It'll save you guys 10%, and that's what helps me out as well. If you guys would, if you do buy something, please send me some kind of picture. It doesn't have to be you in it if you don't want to be in the picture. Send me a picture of you guys getting it. Might make a video on it in the future. But much love to everyone that has already bought something and that plans on buying something in the I really appreciate you guys, and thank you guys for rocking with me. 2021, baby. And over. Peace.